friends, my name is Santosh Chauhan. We will discuss about how to create website from HTML. So let's get started without any further delay. First of all, open the computer and type in search box Visual Studio Codes. Yeah, we can use other option for open up Visual Studio Codes. We will use right click button of mouse and open with code. Click on this button and present time you will be watching, friends. This is the interface of the Visual Studio Code, friends. So friends already know very well. As for me, yeah, as far as I reckon, friends, now we will understand how to create one folder. So click on this button and x.html. We will make one folder, and after this click enter button. So friends, now we will open to this folder in interface, in Visual Studio Code interface. So friends, and we will type some symbols. Yeah, we will type some exclamation marks, sorry, and after this enter. So friends already know very well, this is the boilerplate, this is the template. Already I have told you before session. So friends, now we will understand how to create websites from HTMLs. So now we will press H1 tag, sorry, in body we will press S1 tags, and after this click on this tag and we will type some content. For example, we can say we will type in S1 tags, this is my best friend, sorry, this is my best friend, seal our mark. And after this we will type in paragraph. Click on the, after this we will press enter and type in paragraph tag. So friends, click on the press button P and click on the plugin P, and like this we will type in paragraphs, this is my best friend. Best friend as for as friends. So friends, this is the concept of the body. Already I have told you we will include some content in body, so that content will be shown in the form of the browser in websites. So friends, so after this we will click right button of mouse and open this code live server. Friends already you know very well, this is the heading and this is the paragraph. This is the heading and this is the paragraph. This is the concept of the how to create websites from HTML, friends. So this is the live server code. Already know very well, friends. This is the live server code. Already know very well. As for me, as far as I reckon, friends. So friends, without waste time, we will understand some topics about this HTML. Friends, in this HTML, we will, by the way, for suppose that we will type some paragraph in HTML. We will type some paragraph in HTML. So by the way, for suppose that this is good and we want to show, we does not want to show a browser to these paragraphs. So we will use add here comment option. So friends, first of all we will select to this statements and we will press Ctrl/ button. So friends already you know very well, as for me, if this is the comment option, it is the used for Visual Studio Code, yeah, it is the used for HTML code. Yeah, this is the boilerplate. Yeah, in this boilerplate it is the used comment option like this. So friends already know very well, as for me already you know very now we will understand overall topic of comment of Visual Studio Code. Friends, now in this HTML code, yeah, in this boilerplate don't effect, yeah, have not to effect of case sensitive language. whether are capital, whether are small, we can write something. So this is the concept of the HTML, and HTML a boilerplate. This is the concept of how to create website from HTML. So that's all about me. Thank you. I will see you next time, friends.